Prosser's Aviation Maintenance Collegiate Program prepares students for FAA certification and entry-level careers in a fast-growing industry facing a major workforce shortage. The pathway emphasizes hands-on training and prepares students for the airframe portion of the airframe and power plant certification. Airframe instruction covers structures, electrical systems, welding, and assembly, while power plant training focuses on turbine and piston engines and related systems. Students can earn their airframe certificate soon after graduation, with an optional postgraduate year with Vincennes University to earn 2 associate degrees and the power plant certification for the full A&P certification.